Hey everybody, it's me again, Bill from Walter's Bartending. Today we're going to make a chocolate martini. And I want to give a shout out to James Preet from Knife Hand Customs. He makes great water bottles. These are all custom designed. This one's hydro dipped. This one also is hydro dipped. Look up his website or his Facebook page, Knife Hand Customs. Does great work. He is it's a veteran owned and operated business. Again, Knife Hand Customs. Give them a look up. So today we're going to make the chocolate martini. This was requested by Lilliana, who is the president of the Corvette Club of Rhode Island. So we put everybody's drinks that whoever requested one, I put them in this random.org thing, and it spit out the number one that we were going to make was the chocolate martini. So what you do is you start out with the chilled glass. Okay, I put ice and water in here. Get that chilled up, nice. Take some regular ice, put it in to make the drink, and then we take that and put that in here. Now what you want to do is use your favorite chocolate syrup, and you want to line the glass a little bit with some chocolate syrup. If you try to want to make a little design on it, go ahead. So you have that. Then I'm using Creme de Cacao today. You can use Godiva, chocolate liqueur, whatever. Godiva chocolate liqueur is going to be a little bit smoother, but here we go. So you do about a 6 count of this, and we got Ketle One today. Do about a 6 count because it's got the real heavy pour there. So you do about a 6 count of that, and you take that. Now, if you want to break up the alcohol a little bit and like the burn a little, you can add a little bit of milk, half and half. I have a little bit of almond milk here. I'm going to add a little bit of that in, and also it gives it a little bit of white color because nobody really wants to drink a brown drink unless it's bourbon. So shake that up a few times. Take the cover off. Now, if you want to get real fancy, you can get some dark chocolate and shave it and put it on top. But now, right there, you have your chocolate martini. Okay, Lilliana, hello. I hope you enjoy this. This is for John Sear. This is my pickle thingy, a little pickleback. All right, little Jameson's cold brew. And this is for Steve Marcella and Erica Lee. We got some Guinness here. Having a little bit of Guinness. All right, everybody, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great weekend. Oh, hey. Sorry, you interrupted me in the middle of my drink. I just want to explain a little bit as to why I use the Creme de Cacao today. With the whole coronavirus going on, it's good to keep your social distancing, not go out to too many stores at too many times, and just to be safe for not only myself, but for other people. So I had the Creme de Cacao here at the house, so I decided to use that instead of the Godiva, which I'm sure the Godiva would have made it probably a lot better, because it's a lot smoother. It's a little creamier, and it would have added a little bit more texture, a little bit more flavor. If you want to use a little something different and you want to go a little crazy, if you can find Vandermint, which is a Dutch chocolate liqueur that has a hint of peppermint in it, that also would make a very good chocolate martini. So here's to staying safe, social distancing, and keeping our friends, family, and loved ones, all our loved ones, safe during what is become a very odd time here. So cheers to everyone, and be healthy.